Hello, I'm Ken, and I am leaving my wife's parents' cottage, my in-laws' cottage. It's around 11 o'clock, and I'm booking it over to my mom's cottage to help her. She's having some boat issues, so I need to get over there, fix the boat issues, and then get back here. My mom might actually come back for dinner. Or late lunch or something. We'll see. Right now it's raining, so I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to get done on the boat in the rain. Didn't foresee this at all. Didn't look up the weather network. Didn't think it was going to be like this today. Yesterday was a great day, so I thought today was going to be another great day. I believe in great days. Every day. Alright, so I'm going to hit Tim Hortons on the way through Port Carling. And I'm so glad there's a Tim Hortons in Port Carling now. So we'll zip through there, grab ourselves a coffee, and then get over to my mom's cottage. Hi, can I get a large regular, please?
Anything else?
That would be it, thanks.
Okay, that'll be $2.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thought I'd go regular today. Cut back a little bit on the sugar and fat intake. Hello.
Hello, how are you today?
All right, how are you doing?
There you are.
Thank you.
No problem.
Have a good day, sir.
You too.
Friendly guy. Good ink. He had good ink. Good sleeves. All right, off to my mom's cottage. And work, work, work. Made it to the cottage. Yeah, that's my last regular coffee I'm ever ordering. This tastes so Oh, and it's really hot on my fingers. It's burning! Oh boy. So, I'll just say hi to my mom and my niece. They're the only ones up right now. And then I'll get busy fixing the boat. We had a storm that did a lot of damage. All this gravel here probably used to be up there. And I think I might have to move that back. Yikes. Not good. Did all my work, helped out mom. I cleaned up the ladder because somebody left it in the water and it starts to get lake slimy and people don't like touching that, so I cleaned the whole ladder up and then I put more water in the boat, took the boat over to the rock dock and used a brush, cleaned it all out. When it rains and the water sits in there for a couple days, it starts to get like a film, so I cleaned it all out so it's like a brand new boat. The fire pit's all nice and clean and everything's done there. I did the driveway. Yeah, let me show you the driveway. All right, so I took a rake and raked, made a new trough, and then when I got a huge buildup of stuff, I shoveled that into the wheelbarrow, and then I brought it back up the driveway, filled in the big holes and gaps, and then made sure there's a new trough, and that way the water will go down here and out that way. What happens is if it starts to build up here, it starts to go across our driveway and then towards the cottage. Not good. So now we've got a nice little trough. It's all fixed. Now I have to go back to Carol's cottage. So you guys know Melanie. This is Virginia's daughter.
Hey everybody.
How's it going?
Good.
All right. What you doing now?
Just getting ready to pack up.
Pack up?
Go home.
Yeah, and then we're gonna party tomorrow. Pool party. Say bye.
If you win 60 million, what the heck, right?
Mom, say bye. All right, so going back to Carol's cottage, and sat and talked with my mom and niece for a bit, and they had to go back to Georgetown and get things prepared tomorrow for the pool party. I'm gonna go back to Carol's cottage, hang out there tonight, and then tomorrow we're gonna go to Susan's, I think, unless Carol's changed her mind again. Made it back to Carol's parents' cottage. Just finished doing yesterday's vlog, and I'm just exporting it to the desktop, or I guess compressing it to the desktop, and then I'll just upload it through my phone to the internet, just for you guys. But you're always wondering, some people say, what do you guys do, work all the time at the cottage? Well, in this situation, I'm working because I need to get a vlog out to you guys. But there are other times on the day when people like Carol here just sit back, relax, and read. And if this isn't the epitome of relaxing, look at that. That is one well-relaxed dog. Zammy. What you reading? Barbara.
Erskine on the Edge of Darkness.
On the Edge of Darkness. Dun dun dun.
I've made it to the more than halfway part.
Yeah, you don't look too scared, so it's not that scary.
It's exciting.
Is it exciting?
It's exciting.
It's like the Love Boat. Exciting and new.